Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel, Good Pocket Change. For those that are just tuning in, my name is Sunny, and on my channel I like to share ways to make money online as well as document my journey as an online entrepreneur. So if you want to see more content like this, be sure to hit the subscribe button below and also hit the notification bell. And today I want to share with you guys how I go about making money on eBay. So today I'm going to bring you guys along with me to look for some items we could resell on eBay. I guess a little bit of retail arbitrage. And what I like to do is I like to go to thrift stores and look for items that are discounted at a lower price and then try to flip them on eBay. I like to target specifically jeans, male designer jeans. And what I usually look for is name brands such as maybe Diesel, True Religion. And a lot of times at these thrift stores, they'll be selling for anywhere between $20 to $35. And so what I do is then purchase them at that price and then go on eBay, and I could flip those same name brand jeans for like about maybe $45 to $60 or even more. So that's what I'm going to be doing today, and taking you guys along with me and just showing you the entire process of looking for the items as well as posting them for sale on eBay. So this should be fun and interesting. So without further ado, here we go. So I'm waiting for my train to get here. Gonna head over to Manhattan to Housing Works thrift store. I believe they're on 17th Street. One of the reasons why I like going there is because they have a pretty good selection of jeans to choose from. And one thing I forgot to mention earlier, one of the reasons why I like selling jeans on eBay is because they're super easy to ship, as well as the profit margin and the price point that I'm able to get them at and sell them for. So that's one of the things you want to look out for when you're looking to sell on eBay. And so I'll see you guys at the thrift store. Peace. So I made it to the Housing Works thrift store, and I'm about to go in now to start looking for some jeans. My budget overall, I'm looking to spend anywhere between like $100 to $150, and I'm hoping I can get the jeans for like $20 to $35 a pop. So let's go inside and take a look. Alright, so I made it out, came out with a few items, got some Tommy Hilfiger jeans, some Diesel jeans, and so here they are. I'm gonna go home and now list them and hopefully get some sales soon. So I'll see you guys then. Peace. Alright, so I'm back from the thrift store and I'll show you guys what I made out with. So I got these Michael Kors jeans. So I got these for $20. I could probably sell these on eBay for maybe like around $30. And I also got these Paul Smith jeans, which I got for like around 20 bucks. And I'm not sure how much I would be able to get for these, but I'm guessing it's a little bit, probably like a little bit around maybe 30, 35. And also I got these Tommy Hilfiger. Is this Tommy Hilfiger? Yeah, and so these Tommy Hilfiger jeans, which were on sale for 20 bucks. So I'll probably try and sell those for like around 30, 35. And last, I got these diesel jeans right here. Yeah, so these diesel jeans came out to $25. So I'll probably be able to sell these for like, I'm hoping for like $40. Also, one more thing before we go any further, I want to show you guys how I measure the jeans with my measuring tape when I'm getting ready to post them. So what I do is I'll place this, and I'll usually take the pictures just like this with the measuring tape in it so that people can get an idea. And I also put it in the description, the sizes. So to measure the waist, you would place this like this, and it's about 16. So then you would double this number to get the total waist size, and then the inseam, the length from the crotch to the legs, you would measure from here down to here. Let me just fix this a little better. Alright, so it would go from roughly here, the inseam, up to here, and that's like roughly, it's like almost 30. So that's how you would measure. So it'd be like 32 by 30. And that's how you get your waist length and your inseam. And you can also measure the outseam, which is from out here, from the top of the pants all the way down here. And then you just record that number. So those are the main measurements I like to include in the listing, just so that buyers can get a better sense of the size of the jeans and how they would fit them. So now let us go to the computer and I'll show you guys how I list these jeans. See you there. Alright guys, so here we are at my computer screen on my eBay account, and so I'm going to start with listing the diesel jeans. So what I usually do first is I'll enter in the name of the jeans on eBay and see what comes up. So I have these diesel industry jeans. Yes, here they are, the RN93243. And what I'll do is I'll scroll down to where it says completed or sold items, because I want to see how much people actually bought them for. Okay, and then I'll filter to usually the buy it now option, because I don't plan on auctioning them. I just want them to be bought out straight out. And so let's see what we have here. We have those same pair of jeans that were sold on September 11th for $29. So I got them for $25. And so let's see, this one sold for $29, this one $26, this one for about almost $40, pre-owned. Let me see, this one $19, this one $49. Actually, wait, let me just go back up. It says this one was $26, but it also has $13.06 for shipping, so they probably paid somewhere like around close to $39, or yeah, around $39, close to $40 for that one. This one was $29. They offered free shipping, so I'm just trying to get a sense of what I could price these for. This one sold for $19.60, but they had $18.46 in shipping. This one sold for almost $50, but they have free shipping. Alright, let me check out this one right here. And then what I'll do is I'll check out the listing, see what was going on with the one that sold. And the cool thing about eBay is that you really don't have to start a listing from scratch. You could also, they usually have an option where you could sell the exact same pair right here. So you could sell one like this. And so I figured what I'm going to do, For these pair that I have, I got them at 25. So I'm gonna go ahead and price them at $40. And what I like to do is I like to offer free shipping, but really I cook the shipping into the sale price. So it's so it'll be free shipping, but it's actually put into the $40. So so it'll be like probably profit. I'll probably get somewhere like in between. I'd say with shipping, I probably spend like close to maybe $5. So you're looking at $36, $36, and then with eBay fees, I'd say like around like $34, $35. So I got these for like 25, so I'm looking at roughly a profit of $10. And so I'm gonna go ahead and list mine. So I'll click sell one like this, and it kind of preloads some of the information of these jeans, so that way I don't have to be starting completely from scratch. So let's see, I have Diesel Industry, stress jeans, and mines are 34 by 30. Alright, categories in my eBay store, other, actually no wait, I think I have jeans. Yeah, I'll put that in jeans category. Alright, and so now I'll upload my photos. Let's see. Okay. Alright. Let's see which photo this is. Okay, that's that. And this is basically the process that I go through. I'd say like probably the tedious part is taking the pictures, but other than that, it's pretty much straightforward retail arbitrage. You pretty much buy low and sell high, and wherever you could source the items, whether it be thrift stores or just stuff you have laying around in your house, it's basically easy money. I used to do this over the summer, and I would make like roughly an extra $100 or $200 a week. I mean, it's not a lot, but it's I guess some good pocket change. Yeah, and it's not bad. It's something to do if you have extra time on your hands. The one thing though is that I found myself going to the post office often, and that can be a little challenging, especially if you're working a 9 to 5. But other than that, it's a good way to make some extra money. Let me see how many other pictures I have left. This one. All right. Alright, so now let's scroll down. It says we recommend these item specifics. Distressed, sure, why not. Diesel jeans, so we're gonna say regular, 34. Inseam, we measured that to be 30. Alright. Made in Italy. Okay. Alright, and then here I like to, in the description, also just put down the details. So waist, 34, inseam, 30. What else? Let's see if there's anything I'm missing. Alright, let me put this in here. And then I forgot it was put in the condition. Where is the condition? Right here. We'll say pre-owned. Put in some rips. some ribs, slight wear. Oh no, it'd say some ribs. Some ribs. No. Oh yeah, just keep it simple, some ribs. Alright. Then we'll go here to fixed price. And let's see, the price that I'm going for is 40. Actually, let's go $39.99. Then see quantity. So I'm gonna have this listing posted until someone buys it. So good till canceled. Selling at a fixed price. And shipping, I'm gonna go with priority. US priority now, 3 days. And shipping will be free shipping. And that's basically it. So I'm gonna go ahead and list the item. And let's take a look at it. And here it is. And it's that simple. So now the only thing left to do is just sit around and wait and see when somebody buys it. And that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys found this useful. It was kind of cool to get to show you guys how I go about sourcing the items and then taking pictures of them and then listing them on eBay. So if you found this helpful or useful, please be sure to hit the subscribe button, like and comment, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.